running back, deep bumper, oh, mela, mela, mela.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ro.lyss, and I'm back again with another video. And today, y'all, I have another bob for y'all. My last two installs have been bobs. I don't know why, and they've been short bobs. And I've been honestly feeling them. Like, y'all comment down below how this bob look on me. Before I do all this chatting, all this talking, if you're not already a part of gang, go ahead and subscribe right now so you can see videos like this. Hit that post notification bell, comment, and like for me. Okay? Thank you. I'm so hungry. Wow. For my beginners, as you can see, I put my lace down without it completely turning clear. If you are a beginner, make sure you wait till your glue is completely clear, because it'll be hard to, fix it and all that extra stuff, even though that it will dry clear on there, just in case, so your hair will not get stuck down on that glue that's not completely clear. Wait till it's clear. Alright, y'all. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I had to come on the camera and actually start talking to y'all because I don't like how long it is. This is a 10-inch and I really want it to be like, you know, at my shoulders, like short. But I'm scared. Like, let's chop like right. Woo. Here. It's gone. It's already chopped. I already did it. I did it! Yeah, I be so scared. I did it. Oh gosh. I did it, y'all. Okay. Yeah, I was so scared to do this just then. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did it. It's just getting this side even with this one. I really like it shorter. Like, I wanted that, like, that look. I'm gonna flat iron it too to make it look better, of course. We gotta cut it the same. Y'all, I be so scared. But look, y'all, it's cute. It's cute. Okay. Let's keep cutting a little bit because it's a little long over here. Y'all, remember, I am not a professional. I just do my hair. Don't go to your house chopping your wigs up because y'all see the way I did it. Get some help. Okay. Okay. I got me a little bob or whatever. Tomorrow's my birthday, y'all. So I put a little bob in my head. So I got this unit from Ro.lyss Hair on Amazon Prime, y'all. I know a lot of people are scared to order on Amazon. Trust it. I said it's in all my Amazon videos. Trust it. Read the reviews. Watch YouTube videos so you can get a glimpse on how the hair is going to come out. Listen to the pros and cons. And order the hair, girl. It's not that bad. Amazon is fast, quick, quick, quick. You'll think I'm doing an ad for Amazon, but I'm really not. Amazon is really that good. So this unit right here is a 13x4 frontal and a 10-inch. Honestly, y'all, when y'all watch the video, y'all see in the video that I kind of chopped the front because the front was a little longer than the back. That's the only con about the video, that the front was longer than the back. So yeah, y'all, my camera died. I am so sorry about that. But overall, that was my con about the hair. The hair was really good, really soft. Only thing was wrong with it, the front was a little back. So if you do purchase this wig, you might have to chop the front off a little bit. But that's it. But that's I honestly think they tried to go for that look that's longer on the side, and I did not want that. I thought it was blunt all the way around, but unfortunately it wasn't. And that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this whole entire video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Ro.lyss is out.
Oh my mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella. Melanin mela mela mela. Oh my mela mela mela. Oh you bella bella bella.